Multiple choice questions for basic accounting. The first question is, if an owner invests her laptop, computer, and printer in the business, there is an increase to letter A, cash and capital, letter B, computer equipment and withdrawals, letter C, cash and withdrawals, letter D, computer and equipment, and letter E, computer equipment and cash. So the question is, kapag daw mag-invest ng laptop, computer at printer sa business, meron daw increase ng ano? Okay, so we have to journalize this one. If we will invest laptop, and that laptop is considered also an computer and equipment. So there is a need, an increase to what? Computer and equipment. And also debit, computer and equipment. Letter A, cash and capital, is incorrect because in this transaction there is no cash involved. Computer equipment and withdrawals, no, because there is no withdrawals involved. Cash and withdrawals is also no because there is no cash and there is no withdrawal involved in this transaction. Computer and equipment, yes. Letter E, computer and cash, no. Only computer and equipment. So the correct answer for this question is letter D, computer and equipment. If an owner invests her laptop, computer, and printer in the business, there is an increase to letter D, computer and equipment. Next question. The purchase of an asset on account will, letter A, increase total liabilities and decrease total assets. Letter B, have no effect on total assets or total liabilities. Letter C, increase total assets and increase total liabilities. Letter D, increase total assets and increase owner's equity. And letter E, increase total assets and decrease owner's equity. So here, the transaction is purchase of an asset into on account. Ibig sabihin, bumili ng asset pero hindi binayaran. So, it will increase what? Assets. Kasi bumili tayo ng assets, kaya nag-increase. And hindi natin binayaran, ibig sabihin nagkautang tayo, then the liabilities also increase. So hanapin natin dito ang sagot sa choices. Increase total liabilities, yes. Decrease in total assets, no. So therefore letter A is incorrect. Have no effect on total assets or total liabilities, no, because assets and liabilities increase. Increase in total assets and increase in total liabilities. Yes, correct. So the correct answer now is letter C. But we have to discuss also letter D and letter E. Increase in total assets, correct. Increase in owner's equity, wrong. Increase in total assets and decrease in owner's equity, no. So the correct answer is letter C. Next is the purchase of supplies for cash will. Letter A, increase supplies and decrease cash. Letter B, increase supplies expense and decrease cash. Letter C, decrease cash and increase accounts payable. Letter D, increase supplies and increase accounts payable. And letter E, decrease cash and increase capital. So, ano daw, kapag bumili ng supplies in cash, so we have to journalize this one. We have to debit supplies and credit cash. Supplies is an asset. So if the asset is on the debit side, so it is increase. Cash is also an asset, and if cash is in the credit side, so decrease. The correct answer is increase in supplies and decrease in cash. So, saan dito? So, letter A, increase in supplies and decrease in cash. So, i-discuss muna natin si B at saka si E. Increase supplies expense and decrease cash, no. Because supplies only, not supplies expense. Decrease cash and increase accounts payable, no. Because there is no accounts payable involved in the transaction. Increase supplies and increase in accounts payable, no. Letter E, decrease cash and increase capital, no. So, the correct answer is letter A. The purchase of supplies for cash will increase supplies and decrease cash. So, thank you so much, class, for listening. God bless.